Pretty girl, Miko. Miko. Are you pretty girl? Pretty girl? Miko. Pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Miko, honey. Touch your nose. Pretty girl. Are you a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Oh, touch your nose. Oh, touch your nose. Yeah, that's a good girl. You're so pretty. Are you pretty? Yeah. You're so pretty. Miko, touch your nose. Touch your nose, honey. Hey. Good girl. Do you want a treat? Bang! It was brilliant. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Touch your nose. Can you touch your nose? Please. Oh, really? Oh, good girl. Thank you. I know you get so frustrated. Would you like a treat now? You'd like a treat? Can I make you do one more? Yeah. One more? Which one do you want to do? High five? Nice one. Okay, let's go.